I saw that LJMU is one of the very few universities that offers this program. I saw that it has a lot of partnerships with the outside industries, companies, and that's what drew me to this university.
I picked LJMU because of the courses actually that I would be taking in. We have experts come down to our classes to lecture us on things that corporate world happen in the offices, and then they let you know how to solve them and what about them.
We formulate a lot of products, a variety of products like creams, lotions, shampoos, lipsticks. The one thing I really like about our labs is the creative freedom that they give us. So we're just not expected to stick to the book. We have external placement tie-ups with companies like Croda, Unilever and L'Oreal. They're already giving us that pathway to enter the cosmetic industry before we actually start applying later on.
As the Liverpool saying goes, you never walk alone. You really do not walk alone when you're at LJMU because you have student help, startup help, you have every single thing is being laid out for you step by step.
When I came here, they offered a lot of support, especially mental health support. I will say that was one of the good things. During holiday time, I really needed it and it was available, student well-being and all.
The Connect app that we have at LJMU, having ambassadors. You have questions, you need them answered, you need help.
Through Unitems, I was able to get a job as the student ambassador, and that has been really, really helpful for me. I really love my job.
You're not an outcast, you're welcomed in. I love the hands-on experience that it brings.
If you stick to one place or you stick to your comfort zone, you will not really learn much. But when you come to a place like this where you meet people from all over the world, you meet different cultures, you learn to broaden your thinking.
If you do have the opportunity to come down to LJMU, please take it. Come down, take pictures, document your journey, because honestly, every single step, a challenge becomes an interesting journey for you, becomes a milestone in your walk through life, and I'm really glad I'm here.